Hello everyone, this is Brenda. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video. I've been actually doing a lot of resin. I fell in love with it actually last August and I haven't stopped since then. I wanted to give you an update though, because what I've done is I have basically received some free products from some resin companies, and I am giving a review, an honest review of the ones that I have tried. So if you want to go to tipsbymamab.com, okay, and then click on my blog, you're going to see there's quite a few different reviews here, and I still have more to do yet. So this one here, this is my favorite. So that's why I'm picking on this guy first. So Magic Resin, it's a 2-inch deep pour and casting resin. The reason why I loved it is because it stays liquidy the longest. So I want to do jewelry, and because it's so liquidy, it's not leaving any bubbles. Okay, so all these little items that you see here were all done with the 2-inch deep pour. Okay, so not really a disadvantage, but it does take longer, okay, for the cure time, but it's well worth it, believe me. That's if you want the thin velocity. So that way there, you don't, it's not as thick, so it's not for big projects really. I'm not that you can't use it for big projects, of course you can. But for me, that's the only resin so far that I've tried that never, ever is there a bubble. So I'm really recommending it. If you go through, click here, you're going to get $10 off, okay, your next order. As well, I researched it, and it is actually $5 cheaper than Amazon if you go directly to their website. Okay, so click here and at least get that $10 off. Again, go to tipsbymamab.com, click here and get $10 off this amazing resin. So far, it's number one, but I do have others that you can review, and they're also very good. But I explain why I'm telling you that this one for me is number one. All right, so that's it for today. That's my tip. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Again, thank you for stopping by.